how to log into your FedEx payroll account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your FedEx payroll account. So first thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for fedex.com, or you can also search in for FedEx account sign in, and you can check out from over here as well. And you just need to provide your user ID from over here basically. So let me just quickly provide it. And once you enter your user ID, just click on this password button over here and just provide your password as well, and just make sure that all of your details or login credentials are correct. And once you do all of that, just click on login, and if you ever forget your password or user ID, you can just tap on this button over here to simply reset your password or user ID similarly. And once you do all of that, you can just re-enter all of your login details and just click on login to successfully log into your FedEx account. So that is exactly how you can easily log into your FedEx payroll account. I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.